Tomorrow is the day that we're getting revealed the foldable Motorola cell phone. March 2nd at MWC 2026, we are going to actually be able to see this cell phone. It's very exciting. Obviously, starting off right away, it does have a 120 Hz OLED display and Pen Ultra Stylus support, which we know not every single foldable phone right now has pen support. It's not always the case, Samsung, who did remove it on the most recent iterations. This device features a 50 megapixel camera sensor with 3 times periscope telephoto lenses, competing directly with premium foldable specifications. Motorola expects to offer this at a lot less money-wise than the Z Fold 7, which the Z Fold 7 is like, what, $2,000? So anything below $2,000 is very much warranted and very much awesome. I'll be honest though, I really expect this phone to be $1,800. I kind of expect it to be exact same price tag as the Google Pixel series, and I would love. The best thing possible is this thing comes out with $1,200. Like, that's the best price ever for this type of cell phone. That would sell like hotcakes. And I think this phone already will sell like hotcakes because Motorola has had a great history recently of their flippable cell phones and how amazing they are. So I wouldn't be surprised if we see this exact same thing happen with the foldable cell phone. And if they make it somewhat affordable, we're going to see a lot of people pick this phone up, and this phone is going to sell out quickly. That's the only downside of a foldable phone being affordable, as, you know, quote-unquote affordable, right? Because at the end of the day, still $1,200 is a crazy amount of money. Don't get me wrong, especially for a phone. But because it's going to be quote-unquote affordable, that's the only downside, is that we're going to see it sell out quickly. And with all the RAM shortages and the shortages when it comes to the tech industry, will they have enough units to be able to sell this device and be able to replenish the supply when people are wanting to get it? Because if not, we're going to see that reasonable price tag range be unreasonable because scalpers. And if this does come out with a reasonable price tag, man, scalpers are going to make that price tag double, triple the price tag. Like, the Z Fold series is going to seem very cheap if they don't have the supply to be able to replenish when it sells out. I hope they do. And my assumption is they will. That's why it took them so long to create a foldable cell phone. I would assume is because they have been waiting for this and supplying this at a very high level. But again, like I said, I guess we have to wait and see. Tomorrow's the day, though, and this is the little ad they posted, which is freaking awesome. Very trippy, I will say. Very trippy indeed. And if this is the final version right here of the actual phone, that's beautiful. I mean, again, tomorrow's the day. So, guys, tell me down below your thoughts, opinions. See you guys next one.